Ready to unlock a world of Apple goodies with your gift card? First, let's make sure you have a genuine Apple gift card. These can be used both online and in Apple stores for hardware, software, accessories, and even subscriptions. To redeem it online, head over to Apple.com and start browsing for the Apple product you've been dreaming of. Once you've found your treasure, add it to your bag and proceed to checkout. On the payment screen, look for the gift card section. It's usually right below the credit card options. Carefully enter the 16-digit gift card number and the PIN, which is usually located on the back of the card. You may need to scratch off a protective layer to reveal it. The gift card balance will be applied to your order, and if there's any amount still due, you can pay the remaining balance with another payment method. Prefer shopping in person? Simply stroll into your nearest Apple store with your gift card in hand. When you're ready to pay, just present your gift card to the Apple specialist at the register. They'll take care of the rest, and you'll be walking out with your new Apple gear in no time. So go ahead and treat yourself. Enjoy the convenience and happy shopping!